This is the end, beautiful friend. This is the end, my only friend. The end of our elaborate plans. The end of...
Hello everyone, welcome to the week. Say hello, Polly. Polly? Oh, hang on. Excellent, you've arrived. I was just saying to everyone, hello, welcome to the week. Do you want to say hello everyone, Polly?
Hello!
Have you got any special messages for anyone this week?
Yes, I'm Howard and I live in a house.
Howard the cat and you live in the house. Excellent. Right, well, this is the last assembly. Why is it the last assembly from us?
It's because after this we're going to have some holidays.
It is, it's the summer holidays, and that's really, really fun for everyone because we can have a nice relaxing time. We don't have to do any schoolwork, we don't have to worry about anything, we can just relax and chill out and get ready and rested for September. Exciting times for you in September. What's happening in September for you? You're going to school. Do you know which school you're going to? Colum School.
I know which class.
You know which class as well?
I know which classroom I'm going to.
And which classroom's that?
R1.
And who's going to be your teacher?
Miss Harris.
Miss Harris. Okay, cool. Right, well,
My classroom's going to be R1.
RY. Well, remembered, you've watched those videos, haven't you? Anyway, so most of us are just going to be having lovely summer holidays, but some of us will be leaving Colum School, and Friday will be the last day you will be a Colum School child. So we've got a story all about moving on and having adventures. Oh, the places you'll go, by Dr Seuss. Now this is going to be quite tricky to read because there's lots of funny rhymes in here, so I might make a few mistakes. And then after that we've got a really cool song about summer holidays, haven't we, Polly?
Yeah.
Yes, right. Are you ready?
We haven't sung it.
We haven't, no. Are you ready for the story? Yes, yes we are. Here we go. Right. Congratulations. Today is your day. You're off to great places. You're off and away. You have brains in your head and you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own and you know what to do, and you are the guy who will decide where to go.
It's not guy, girl.
Guy or girl, it's kind of a unisex sort of pronoun, guy, I think, in this context. You'll look up and down streets, look them over with care. About some you will say, I don't choose to go there. With your head full of brains and your shoes full of feet, you're too smart to go down any not so good street. And you may not find any you'll want to go down. In that case, of course, you'll head straight out of town. See, I told you there'd be some mistakes. There's always mistakes in this book, isn't there? It's opener there, in the wide open air. Some strange words in this book. Out there, things can happen, and frequently do, to people as brainy and footsy as you. And when things start to happen, don't worry, don't stew. Just go right along. You'll start happening too. Oh, the places you'll go. It's very stripy, isn't it? You'll be on your way up. You'll be seeing great sights. You'll join the high flyers who soar to high heights. In hot air balloons, yeah. You won't lag behind because you'll have the speed. You'll pass the whole gang and you'll soon take the lead. Wherever you fly, you'll be the best of the best. Wherever you go, you will top all the rest. Except when you don't, because sometimes you won't. I'm sorry to say, but sadly it's true, that bang-ups and hang-ups can happen to you. You can get all hung up in a prickly perch, and your gang will fly on, and you'll be left in a lurch. Oh dear, that doesn't look good, does it? You'll come down from the lurch with an unpleasant bump, and the chances are then that you'll be in a slump, and when you're in a slump, you're not in for much fun. Unslumping yourself is not easily done. You'll come to a place where the streets are not marked. Some windows are lighted, but mostly they're darked. A place you could sprain both your elbow and chin. Do you dare to stay out? Do you dare to go in? How much can you lose? How much can you win? And if you go in, Should you turn left or right and 3/4, or maybe not quite, or go around back and sneak in from behind? Simple, it's not, I'm afraid you will find, for a mind maker upper to make up his mind.
Her mind.
Or her mind. I'm just reading what it says in the book. You're right, though. Maybe their mind would be better. You can get so confused that you'll start into race down long wiggled roads at breaknecking pace, and grind on for miles across weirdish wild space, headed, I fear, towards a most useless place, the waiting place.
There's a cow waiting to get milk.
Is there? Where? Oh yes, of course. There's a cow waiting in the waiting place to get milk. Well spotted. For people just waiting for a train to go, or a bus to come, or a plane to go, or the mail to come, or the rain to go, or the phone to ring, or the snow to snow, or waiting around for a yes or a no, or waiting for their hair to grow. Everyone is just waiting. Waiting for the fish to bite, or waiting for wind to fly a kite, or waiting around for Friday night, or waiting perhaps for their Uncle Jake, or a pot to boil, or a better break, or a string of pearls, a pair of pants. It's American, it's trousers really, but it doesn't really work. The rhymes, I think. Or a string of pearls, or a pair of pants, or a wig with curls, or another chance. Everyone is just waiting. Boring waiting. No, that's not for you. Somehow you'll escape all that waiting and staying. You'll find the bright places where boom bands are playing. More exciting places. With banner flip-flapping once more you'll ride high, ready for anything under the sky. Ready because you're that kind of guy or girl. Oh, the places you'll go, there is fun to be done. There are points to be scored, there are games to be won, and the magical things you can do with that ball will make you the winningest winner of all. Fame, you'll be famous as famous can be, with the whole wide world watching you win on TV. Except when they don't, because sometimes they won't. I'm afraid that sometimes you'll play lonely games too. Games you can't win because you'll play against you. All alone, whether you like it or not. Alone will be something you'll be quite a lot. And when you're alone, there's a very good chance you'll meet things that scare you right out of your pants. There are some down the road between hither and yon that can scare you so much that you won't want to go on.
What do you think they are, Daddy?
I don't know, I think they're all this person's worries and fears, hiding around the corner to jump out at them. Frighten them. But on you will go, though the weather be foul. On you will go, though your enemies prowl. On you will go through the hack and cack's howl. Onward up many a frightening creek, though your arms may get sore and your sneakers may leak. On and on you will hike, and I know you'll hike far and face up to your problems, whatever they are.
I think it's a green marshmallow.
No, I don't think it's a green marshmallow. It looks like a sort of a cat bear monster thing. But he's not being scared of it.
Do you think it's a friendly one?
It might be a friendly one. It might be one of those things that looks scary, but is actually friendly. You'll get mixed up, of course, as you already know. You'll get mixed up with many strange birds as you go. So be sure when you step with care and great tact. And remember that life's a great balancing act. Just never forget to be dexterous and deft, and never mix up your right foot with your left. Do you know your left and right?
Right.
Hold up your left foot. Oh, well done. And your right foot? Good. You'll be sorted then.
Left, right.
And will
Right.
you succeed? Yes, you will, indeed. 98 3/4% guaranteed. Kid, you'll move mountains. So, be your name Buxbaum or Bixby or Bray, or Mordecai Alley Van Allen O'Shea. Oh, you're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mounting is waiting. So, get on your way.
That's the Grinch Who Stole Christmas.
Yes, lots of books by the same author. Absolutely fantastic book, one of my favourite books. It's got a really good message in for everyone. Sometimes life is great. Sometimes we're winning at things. Sometimes we're doing really well. Sometimes we've got loads of friends around us. But sometimes, and this will happen, sometimes things aren't great. Sometimes things are a bit slow. Sometimes we're on our own. But it's all about how we have to work really hard to get through those times to end up back in the winning spot again. And I think we've seen that over the last few months with everything that's gone on. So, year 6s going off to secondary school. Big adventures coming up. There's going to be ups and there's going to be downs. All the children staying at Coleham School going to new classes, there's going to be ups, there's going to be downs. All the grown-ups watching as well, I think they should know by now that there's going to be ups, there's going to be downs. But it's all about making the most of those positives and getting through the down times. Okay.
Put my ukulele on that bit.
Are you ready for the song?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so it's time for our song. We're not going to bother with any fancy magic today. We're just going to get straight on with it. So you've got your ukulele. You're going to play along. Make sure you hold it properly. I've got my ukulele. And this is a song all about going on summer holidays, because that's what we're doing over the next few weeks, isn't it? Okay, right. Oh, hang on. We're missing something, Polly. Look at the camera. We're missing something. That's better. Right. Are you ready? Can you remember the words you're singing?
Yeah.
Here we go. We're all going on a summer holiday, no more working for a week or two. Fun and laughter on a summer holiday, no more worries for me and you. For a week or two. Summer holiday, doing things I always wanted to. So we're going on a summer holiday to make our dreams come true. For me and you. And that's the end of our song. So what we need to do now is we need to say goodbye to everybody for the last time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and have a lovely summer holiday. Bye.